All right, should be good now. Should be good now, chat. We got news in 9 minutes. Yeah, we got news in 9 minutes, so we're gonna see where it wants to take us. One second. Was not expecting straight dumps. Yeah, these highs are suspect. I ain't gonna lie, those highs is like super suspect, in my opinion. Let me see something to do this instead. All right, hope everything good with the chat. If everything good with the chat, Austin, bro, you can just type one or just say yeah. We got 8:30 opening there. Um, Oh, this high here. Uh, Wednesday's PM session. Okay. All right, these highs are suspect, but since we are below the first petition fair value gap, I wasn't expecting this to happen. Like Austin said, I wasn't expecting this to happen either. We're below, so we're gonna see if we want to just continue to the downside. These are suspect, these highs, but gotta just go based off what the news releases, what it shows us. This could be a draw there, so we're just gonna keep that in mind. At 9:30, let me actually do this as well. At 11:30. If you're new to the stream, make sure you leave a like for me, man, please. I would definitely appreciate that. You ain't even got a sub, just leave a like. I'm liking buys here. Yeah, guy just adver- yeah, guy just advertising a prop firm. Hmm. Bro, I thought I would ask you your credit card infos. What? 930, 937 first presentation fair value you got. Uh, and right. I'm gonna make this one from yesterday. I'm gonna make it a different color. Yesterday's. So we gonna see what's to it. Now 45 at 10. No, I'm not really too worried about the existing home sales. We gonna see. But let me do this instead. So 15-minute chart. Then I need another higher time frame chart here. This would be my 4 hour, 1 hour and 4 hour. I'll refer this one to the 15 and 5. This was the London low. We just took the London low here. We just took the London low. Swept the high here at. This was yesterday's. Was this yesterday or Thursday? Yeah, this was yesterday's AM session high of day. Yeah, this was the highest we got Thursday. Yeah, so we swept that. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. See what happens here. We do got the 1 hour. We do got this small little inefficiency on the 1 hour as well. Mark that down. We got that there. Might shift on this liquidity sweep. We will see. We will see. 5 minute, 1 minute. We will see. I got this scar on my face, bro. Damn, y'all see it right full in action. Straight up. We gonna see, man, because this drop was kind of crazy. I think those highs are suspect. We may want to continue to the downside, but we just gotta go. We gotta just see what happens when this new release comes out. See how price treats this first presentation favor all you got. We gonna see if this is treated as support or if we come down to the rejection block here. We got the liquidity right there, so let's see. I'll do this instead. Rejection block. We got the liquid there. Oh no. Alright. You got that there, so let's see how they treat this here. How much percent is on this account? I'm back at break even on the account, so I had it at like 50.9K. Now it's back at 50K. I think I had it like 50.6K actually, but I was floating in profit. 50.9K. I didn't take the profits when I should have, but here's it. I'm back at break even, so $2 down. So we're gonna see though. We gonna see. Make this a little easier for me. I got another monitor right here. I never use it. I use it for gaming. But I'm gonna pull up a chart right here actually. So I'm gonna pull up a little chart. Keep pushing though, for sure. Yeah, for sure. I'm not really tripping about the rebuild or anything. I didn't know that we keep our profit even if we don't make the deadline. So that just changed a lot for me, not gonna lie. I have to find that out. This would be a little easier for me if I can bruh. Bro, why is it asking me to do all this verification stuff? All right, there we go. It looks way better like this. 100%. Last price field in market speed might be different when we gotta wait. Yeah, just waiting. I don't really see nothing. You got the minor buy side pull there. I'm gonna wait till 10. Macros in play. See what the macro does. So we had this little inefficiency here, price traded into on the 5 minute, super small, super tiny. We got it there, but first presentation, first value gap is using that as well, so we'll see. You bullish or bearish, chat? What y'all think? Bullish or bearish? After all this has happened. This is from yesterday. Let me get rid of that. On the 4 hour, if you're looking at what that is this right here. We can clear that up now. This inefficiency here. Middle line, do that. You got that inefficiency there, plus this one here, so bullish very soon. Okay. Two doji at 5 on 5 minute. We'd like to see a reversal. Okay. Six minutes to data release. 5 minutes. 3 drives lower. Just kind of looks a little clean too. Should I start playing music in the background chat? Y'all think some type of music, some type instrumental beat vibes or something? Nothing too crazy, but something calm and cool. I know this be boring. I know this is extremely boring, but hey. Facts. I wouldn't be trying to short this low key though. Even though you got the consecutive up close candles, I wouldn't be trying to short that. Not just yet, at least. Need a little bit more information. We'll wait to 10. Uh, 1 hour closes in 3 minutes. Let's see. Changing the state of delivery there. So let's see. I like to see the 1 hour for tapped in run bullish through in one inversion. Talking about this fair value gap here. This bullish fair value gap. That one there. You gotta have a good eye for shit like this, bro, because no one's really seeing this, man. Especially if you don't even know what trading is, or if you're new to trade, you're not gonna see this little gap here. That's crazy. The high is that, the low of that is at 22.08450. 22.08450. There we go. Let's see if we get there, man, or if we just do enough here. This is a 4 hour bullish fair value gap, and this is that 4 hour bearish fair value gap that we want to see used as an inversion. Yeah, here if we want to take price higher. So let's see. I may make this gray because that red is low-key messing with me. There we go. So we want to see that used as an inversion. Yesterday's, do this here. So they know. I don't want to confuse anybody. So yesterday, what we got today? See how this 1 hour candle starts. New 15-minute candle. Yeah, it takes the low. Yeah, I see it. Stock's green as fuck. Okay, cool. That's what I'm liking. I'm liking this for sure. After taking this low, we just stay stagnant around this area. Let me see where the opening range is at. Yeah, opening range gap. Here. We already filled that in, so we're not even gonna worry about that anymore. But hey Austin, can you send me the link to what you use again when you look at stocks? News release just dropped. So let's see. Let me get rid of this. Really do something like that. 10, 950. So inside this parameter here. Okay. Look how we wicked it. We traded back above. That's a good sign. Minute fair value gap there. Let's see. 15-minute top of the. What are we reaching for? Isn't it called like CNBC, I think? Or yeah, CNBC, yeah. No, it's nothing really, man. It's nothing really. We just kind of stagnant around this area just a little bit. Um, just gonna wait and see. See what 10:30 give us. I want to see fair value gaps being printed. So top of the hour, I want to see what fair value gaps are being printed inside the 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock hour. I want to see fair value gaps being printed, because if that's the case, that means that there could be a potential setup. But if we don't create any, we got this one here, but inside the 10 o'clock hour and 11 o'clock hour specifically, if we don't create any fair value gaps between this two time frame on the 15-minute or on the 5-minute, but I'm really more focused on the 15-minute, that means that today will be a high resistance day, and I won't be doing anything until the PM session, most likely, if that happens. So I want to see some fair value gaps being printed, if that makes sense to you guys. It doesn't look too. It doesn't look too good to me in my eyes. I'm not gonna lie. Like, we doing all this choppiness and stuff. Not what you really want to see. So you gotta just wait and be a little bit patient. See if it wants to get down to this rejection block, or if we just stay stagnant in this area. I'm gonna have a new setup coming. I don't know if I want to keep this entire setup right here. I'm gonna have a new setup come in. I may switch some things around, make it like a little green screen or something. You feel me? So .30. I'm looking at my chat on my phone as well. If you guys wondering why I'm looking down, see the chat right here. This is 9. Okay. $9.32 yesterday. Okay. opening range gap. The low. $21.50. The high would be. Hey fam, would love to connect with you. I appreciate you a lot, bro. I have Instagram. You can DM me on Instagram, or yeah, I really just have Instagram. I don't really use Twitter, but you can DM me on there too. But all my all my socials and tags are the same. They're all the same. So looking at this 10 a.m. wick here. Do that there. With your IG trade futures buys, ain't it this week, but they look the best. Yep, I agree. 22, 21.50. That's the low of the opening range gap. I'm just noting that. Want to see if we come back up into that. Buys definitely did look clean this week. Look at this price action. This is crazy, bro. It's a lot going on. Let me see what the 30 seconds looking like. What about the 15 second? 15 second, there's trades all day. On the 15 second, you can find a trade all day, every day. There's a trade set up somewhere. One here, sweep, break, retracement, back into this gap here on the 15 second. We don't expect price to trade back up into this portion of the gap. We would consider this imbalanced price range right here. You feel me? Just because of the work we did all over here. But that's a video for another day. But this is crazy. Just mega trades on the 15 second. Mega trades. 15 second is the secret though. Facts. It's definitely the secret, bro. Get on there and just catch mega trades. I want to see how this 957 candle is treated, because if we can get above this, we probably can reprice to the first fair value gap here, and then maybe that might yield us something to take to the upside. But we gonna wait and see. I hope no one tries to long that. It's too sloppy. It don't look clean. This isn't clean price action. I'm not gonna lie. You might got to change in the step delivery here with these consecutive down close candles, but nah. We can't even come up to this candle here. Chat, y'all took any trades yet? Any trades being taken yet, chat? Y'all took anything yet? Oh, lunch, bro. 15 in Europe back in 20. Okay, bet. I appreciate that. Dang, you're in Europe, bro? What the? This. I'll still be here, though. I'll see you when you get back then. Viter? Thought that said Victor at first. We got this. Let me get rid of this real quick. We got this on a 60-minute, so we know this is here. I want to see if this is treated as an inversion. Put that right there just for 1 second. I like how he's staying right here, though. I like how he's staying in this one. How many ones? Well, 3 times. I'll give it a few more times, but no more than 2-3 times. We want to see gaps like this hold up. So let's see if this can be used as an inversion, and if we go to the downside, or if we just kind of reclaim it. Looking at the bodies of it. Look at the bodies. Tripping. May take a short here from this inversion, see if it can yield us enough. Looking at the bodies of it though, we holding up. This is a little difficult. I'm gonna take the short off the inversion.
Order filled.
Rejection block, we target that. 15-minute. Let's see if we get there. Let's see if we create a fair value gap. If we can create a fair value gap, I'll add one more. I want to see price created and get tapped into. Do you take partials? No, I don't take partials, but I mean, I should start taking partials. So I will see how I will see how we'll go by that this weekend. I gotta incorporate that into my system. See if I want to take partials at a 1 to 5 or just at a 2-hour trade. At a 1 to, I gotta see. So I want to see price come back into this. If we can, I'll add one more. If not, then that'll be good. I didn't hear my ordered field tab either.
Order filled.
All right, we take that. Stop here. There we go. That little entry we got right there. We tried our best to get it right there, so we'll take that. See what we can deliver for today. I'm going to look at the chart from my phone really quick. Targeting that. This is that 15-minute rejection block we're targeting. So we're going to see. Yo, explain this entry. All right, so you see this candlestick right here? So this whole entire price action, we're inside this 1 hour fair value gap. It's a bullish. If you go to the 1 hour, you'll see a bullish fair value gap. You'll see it, right? You'll see that. Everybody's expecting a buy model to happen. You feel me? I was expecting it. Everybody else is expecting that to happen, but it doesn't. You feel me? So what do? I know some people were trying to long from here. I did just point out in the live, I hope you're not trying to long from here. And I pointed out, all right, I want to see this used as an inversion. Let's see if we can use it as an inversion. So after seeing that this candle overlapped that candle, I really should have went long short inside here. Really should have went short inside here, but I wasn't too it wasn't enough conviction. You feel me? And then yeah, that's basically at the target of the 15-minute rejection block. If you go to the 15-minute time frame, I'll show you real quick. That there. So instead of trying to target the low, just target this here and that'd be it. A partial would have been okay there. That would have been a solid partial. That's why I gotta incorporate that. I gotta figure a few things out, because when I start trading live next month, I would definitely be taking partials, looking to take partials on most of my setups. Take partials and break even. Okay. I'm gonna go break even for sure. But I gotta figure out how would I even take a partial on this? Does anybody know? That's all these things I gotta figure. I'm used to just taking the break even. I never really take partials. I'm used to taking a break even, loss or win. That's that Forex kind of mentality. That's that mindset. So if anybody knows what I should do, yeah, if I could take a partial, that'd be nice. I'll take 2 off and let the rest run and call it a day. Bro, it's S&P just took the major low, take partials. Bro, it's the market maker himself. You got 3 selling orders, just buy the equivalent. Like if you want to close 1 out of 3 trades, buy 1 contract. Oh. So I would just click the same way you look at the same way you took the trade, enter the number of contracts you want to close and choose buy. Oh, bro, I appreciate y'all a lot, bro. It was that simple? It's that simple? All right, let me test that out. So if I click this buy, it's gonna close, right? Don't cat me down now, chat. Yes or no, chat? Let me know, chat. Oh man. Let me know, chat. I wanna take a partial. I wanna test this out. Let me know. The same way you took the trade, enter the number of contracts, and choose buy. I'm gonna just let it hit TP. Yeah, it's gonna close two positions. Thank you, bro.
Order filled.
All right, Chloe took two. Now let's see if we can deliver to the rest. Thank you, bro. Yeah, buy two. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. I'll explain the entry once more once if this gets to TP or we get hit at break even. So I know he's reading again. I'm not. Yeah, bro. I'm not used to taking part. I'm that forex mindset, bro. Break even, lost or win, 1 to 2. I'm not gonna cap to you. Let's see if this fair value gap holds up, and we can hit this rejection block on the 15-minute. We tapped into it just a little bit, nothing too crazy though. So we will see. But my entry, this was treated as an inversion after seeing price overlap this gap here, this inefficiency here, this bullish fair value gap. After seeing price overlap it with this candle, we come back. Ideally, I would have wanted to get it in like the midpoint of this gap or this bearish fair value gap right here. So this was our ideal entry, and as you can see, we just deliver lower. As you can see, barely any green candles. Got one here. Want to see that use as support. Got this gap here. We want to see price deliver from there. So yeah, this candle right here, if you look, this candle's wick right here, we tap back into this here. So signatures and price I'm just looking at, I try to pay close attention to. So disbelieved? What do you mean? Yo, I'm having exam tomorrow. I'm having exam till 20 March. After that, I will be regular to your live. I will be regular to your live tape reading. Okay. Oh, okay. I get what you're saying. Yeah. Okay, bet. If any of you guys new to the stream, make sure you subscribe and leave a like for me. I would definitely appreciate that. I have a goal I'm trying to hit. I'm at 435. I'm trying to hit 500. Trying to hit 450 subscribers before the month ends. I think I can do that. So would definitely appreciate if you're new to the stream, you subscribe to your boy. And I'm not gonna lie, chat, taking partials does feel good. Like, it feels extremely good taking partials. It's like, dang, you know what I mean? That's that feeling you want to have. I'm glad you guys told me, because if you guys didn't tell me, I would just be sitting here waiting for price just to either hit my stop loss or my break even or my TP. Yeah, but are you in the USA? Yeah, I'm in the United States of America. I live in Missouri. From Chicago, Illinois. From the west side, from the trenches. And then now I'm in Missouri, where it's nice and peaceful at. A lot of green grass. Taking partials is actually a good thing. On future, it avoids ending up without partials on a break-even trade. Facts, yeah. ICT came to my stream yesterday, and he basically called out a move for me. He came to my stream, called out a move for me. I was in profit more than a 2R. More than 2R, I was in profit, and I didn't take. It came super close to my TP. Let's say my TP was here. Price came super close to it. Like, I want to say, like, at least like right here, but it never hit me. It never hit my TP, and I was up more than a 2R on the trade, and I got hit at break even. So after that, Michael just he told me that basically he can't drive me where I should get out. You know what I mean? He can't drive price to where I should be getting out. That's why I should have took partials. But other than that,
Order filled.
you feel me? That was cool. But solid trade today. Solid trade today. We back. We back in profit on the account. Um, we were at break even. Now we back in profit. So we're gonna take that today. Definitely incorporate taking partials more often. Um, how much did I risk on this trade? I risked about. I can't remember. I think I already had 3 contracts. I risked 3 contracts. So pretty decent. Pretty decent. Caught a sale. They complete. Beautiful trade, brother. Yeah, beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade. I knew I wanted the buys to happen. I wanted to see the buys happen, but once you like see stuff like see this 15-minute fair value gap. Remember, if you guys remember, I did say throughout the 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock hour, I want to see some fair value gaps being formed on the 5-minute or the 15-minute. Realistically, I want to see them done on the 15-minute. As you can see, we have one here. It's not finished yet. We can definitely overlap it, but the 5-minute was good enough. As you can see here, we got that there, and then we just continue to deliver lower. So that's a key thing right there too. You guys want to journal down, put in your phone notes real quick. That's how you look at the price. That's how you look at price on a continuum basis. You want to see fair value gaps being created on the 5-minute and the 15-minute. Look at the 1 hour. See how the 1 hour candle starts. See where it wants to draw to. See where it wants to head. As you can see, I pointed this out earlier. I see this happen a lot. Like, everybody was expecting the buys. I was expecting the buys. A few people in my chat were expecting the buys. But these were suspect. I did say these seem suspect, bro. These seem super suspect. When you see price do stuff like this, right? Even on the 1-minute time frame, you gotta just have an eye for it. You feel me? Price go up very jagged and slow. And this is chat. This is on every single time frame, bro. It could be on the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. I've been noticing for like the past few weeks, months. Once you see price go up jagged like this, very jagged, price usually just runs this. It usually runs it every time. Every time. It happened to me yesterday. Yeah, it happened to me yesterday. I was trying to I went long on like the 3-minute, but the price action was very jagged, just like this, just on a smaller time frame basis. You feel me? And it went lower, and it took me out. So try to keep that in mind. Even though we did want to see the buys, we did want to see the longs. Sometimes it's just, I ain't even gonna say you gotta know. I guess it just comes with experience and journaling. Really, journaling your data. That's what really helps me understand things a little bit more clear too. You feel me? Yep, W's. W's, W's, W's. W's, 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 chat. Good win today, chat. Good win today. Chart data, let me see, show executions. So my earliest entry was at 22.65. So my entry was here. Not a bad entry. It's in close proximity to this inversion, so that's all that matters. As long as we in close proximity to the gap, because we're not gonna be perfect in trading. Especially when I start trading live on my own, with my actual own funds. Gotta have that mindset like, hey, you won't be perfect. Sometimes the entry gonna be late. Sometimes the entry gonna be on time, you know what I mean? Sometimes it'll stop, not gonna be in the right spot, but sometimes it will. You feel me? Sometimes you might miss some on it. Sometimes you might leave some on the table. Sometimes you might not. You feel me? You might overdo your part. So trading can't be perfect. You feel me? Not gonna be perfect, but you can be precise as possible. I added one here at the institutional order flow drill. I added one there, and then yeah, that was it. Look at the bodies respecting this gap here. Look at the bodies just respecting it. The wicks do the damage. See, the wicks traded outside of the gap, but the bodies stay inside. So things I pay attention to here as well. The bodies stay here. Go to the 1 minute. There. I would have had a little bit more conviction. I mean, I guess it just depends. But if we say we would have wicked above this high and then traded lower, I would have had way more conviction to take this trade because I would consider that a run on stops. But we didn't. So me going short in here, that's why I was a little skeptical, because I'm like, this low-key kind of looks just a little too smooth though. So price could trade into this. Even though I didn't want to see the longs, just because I don't want to see the longs don't mean it's gonna happen. I'm not in control of the market, you feel me? So just because I seen price trade into this doesn't mean we can't. And I don't want to see it trade from here to that. Doesn't mean it can't do so, you feel me? So entry was at the 6.5 here. That's about, let me see, 6.5. That's about 10 points away. Not bad. My stop was above this high, but that was decent. We target that for about 80 points, 75 points, 80 points. Yes, sir. W's on the day, man. W's on the day. We back in profit on the account, so we just gonna take it nice and slow. I didn't know that. Like I said, I didn't know that I would keep my profits even if I didn't meet the deadline. So I'm definitely okay now. I'm not in no rush to try to pass this account. I want to get it passed soon and start my process to getting payouts and getting funding and stuff like that from an actual prop firm. But whenever it happens, it just happens. You feel me? We ain't in no rush. We just gonna continue to trade, and the money gonna come his way. The money gonna come our way. You feel me? So solid day on the day, man. Solid day. Solid day. On the 1 hour, got the change in the step delivery here. I did say that. Yeah, living and learning, facts. 100% facts. This change in the state here. Order block here, no retest back into that whatsoever, just straight sales. No retest back into it, nothing. We left this fair value gap open. Signature that we are extremely bearish. Signature here, signature here. You feel me? It's better. Yeah, I know my entry model is I want to enter inside a fair value gap. But if we leave fair value gaps open and I go to say on like a higher time frame like this, and I drop down to like a lower time frame, let's say like the 15-minute, and we create a fair value gap lower than the ones above here on the higher time frame, that just shows me indication that we are bearish. That's a signature in price that price is extremely bearish, and we're below the midnight opening price. That's the most important factor right there. Price having a hard time getting back above the midnight opening price. You see, we do it here, but we have a hard time doing it here. So that's another indication that price is extremely bearish. That's why this short right here, you can take. But it is 9:42 my time. I think I'll call it a day, chat. I don't really have nothing else really to talk about for the most part. I'm not gonna take any more trades, so we'll take that. Be grateful for that, and we'll just call it a day, man. I appreciate everybody who stopped through. If you're new, like I said, make sure you leave a like. If you subscribe to the channel, goal is 450 by the end of the month. I'm gonna drop my Discord link for anybody who's new that wants to join the Discord. I'm really hoping I can grow this Discord into a bunch of ICT traders. People who just trade ICT. I don't want anybody else getting confused. Um, oh, I'm tripping. My bad, chat. I mean, my bad, Discord. If I could build a community with solely ICT traders, that'd be perfect. Community full of just straight ICT traders, and we all just be a team. You feel me? So that'll be nice. Pretty sure everybody that's in my chat so far trades ICT concepts, so that's the goal. Let me see how much. Let me see. I'm glad I started this community. I was gonna wait till I hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, but I'm glad I did. So I think the server has about 30 people in it so far. So as always, my boy Sadiqi's always killing it. Always killing it. Nice. Super nice. And the fact that you're able to trade inside this, Sadiq, bro, that just, bro, I know, yeah, it's time for you to get a live account, bro. It's definitely time. It's time, bro. This is extremely difficult, like, even for me, bro, trading in that type of environment, just like that, here is extremely difficult. Extremely difficult, bro. I don't know how you caught this here. I don't know how. You go short here off the first presentation fair value gap. That what you did? Okay, you went short in close proximity to it here. That's very nice. Your stop is above here. Why would your stop above there? Let me see. Oh, okay, because you don't expect price to trade back into this imbalance breakaway gap price. I took notes. I watched that video last night you sent me. I took notes on it. I learned a lot, so I gotta read over it. I don't want to confuse myself or confuse anyone in the chat, but imbalanced price range here. I know that for sure. Breakaway gap. We did enough of the dirty work here. We traded through it, came back down. So this makes this imbalanced. Per doesn't need to get back up here. So I see why you put your stop there. That's the midnight range too. Oh yeah, okay, get it. I get it. But yeah, that video you sent me, bro. That video right there. I'll show the chat real quick. I'll show the chat. Show the chat. I watched it last night. Here, let me see. Here, right here. I watched this last night. This right here.
Search for Taylor.
This right here would change the game. I'm gonna watch it maybe about 2-3 more times, but I already took notes on it. But this right here, algorithm, price delivery continuum, that right there will. That's crazy. I want to see what Tanja's doing. What she try to go for?
This one, yet imbalances below is like easier to trade with. This doesn't have any.
What's she trying to trade with? What time frame is she on? Oh, she's on she's on the facts. I'm gonna watch that again too, bro. I'm gonna just spark me a little cone up, bro. Spark me a cone up and just watch it. Look over my notes.
I think NQ just had like a decent reaction here. See,
she should have went short there. I wonder if she did though, but that's why I want to build a community full of ICT traders, because we're all looking at the same thing for the most part. If you know what you're doing and you got experience, that's what makes trading ICT, especially with a group of people that's advanced, that's been doing it for quite some
like
time.
an inversion there.
That's nice.
And then the thing is, I don't know how worth it that is. You can probably go to like a swing high and then.
We just took the rejection block and that's all.
Or have an SMT if yes.
We left how much on the table? Bam. 38.
I'll be watching it. I'll be tape reading it.
Did she take the sale?
No inversion yet.
I'm not really sure if she took the sale.
Let's see. Did you guys? I want to put up a poll. Did you take a trade today? I didn't take a trade yet. Like,
Oh, yeah, she didn't take a trade.
I've been bullish, so can't blame me. Like,
We all been bullish, exactly. We all been bullish, but I saw you ask how to take partials. Yeah, my chat helped me out. You need to play with micros. Yeah, I was in micro. ICT take the same trade. Yeah, ICT take the same trade as well. You take? Yeah. You see?
okay, poll's up. The poll is up.
He talking about I need a cigarette now.
Well, we inverted on the
I
2
don't
minute.
smoke. This dude Mike was hilarious. Yeah, he took the same short, bro. He took the same exact short, but he
We
got
did
his
on the 1
entry
minute with that one
inside of
actually.
he got his entry inside
This,
of the
the
actual
40
here.
probably just happened.
He got it there. That's nice, bro.
So what would that RR look like? If you were just longing here,
That's nice, bro. I was looking at his Telegram chat as well
it's
too.
not the
I was looking at his Telegram chat. While you watching her?
a good
I was
RR.
just seeing
So,
if she took anything,
no point for me to do that.
but she didn't take anything. But
I feel like reaching for this is just even just
If I
for
was
this
her-
isn't
if
asking
I
for a
was
lot.
her,
It's a 1.1
I'd
R
wait for the
there.
PM session. I'll wait for the PM
It's
session.
not worth it for me.
Yeah,
No.
exactly. It's not worth it. I'll wait for the PM session because look at these candles. Look at these body closures. Here, I don't like that.
Just let it accumulate or whatever.
I don't like that. But who else? I don't like that. But look at the wicks. Look at the wicks. Look at the bodies. Look. Yep, we move a lot. Yeah, most definitely. Look at the wicks. We cut outside the lines just a little bit. That's okay. But look at it. Look at this. I bet on the 30-second price went up all jagged and slow. Oh, I closed my chart though. Damn. Let's see if price eats through this or just hold up. Super nice, bro. Super nice. Good day to recover, man. Good day to recover, cause, whew. Hopefully next week can set up for us good and give us some valid setups. Cause this week was not it. No news Mondays. Won't be trade Monday, so you guys probably won't see a live stream, but you'll see one Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Yeah, so you'll see a live stream every day except Monday. I won't be taking any trades on Monday. No news Mondays. Best to just walk away. So that'll be it, chat, man. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I yapped as much as I could. Tried to extend my time with y'all. But like I said, I appreciate everybody who stopped through. I'll see you in the Discord, Houdini and Sadiq. I hope everybody have a good day. If you do decide to take any trades, wait until the PM session. Like I said, wait in between 2 maybe 3 p.m. You want to see if there's any fair value gaps being created on the 15-minute time frame, and you want to use that to trade into, or you want to use that to trade from. So that'll be it, man.